Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po noong November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary. And she's a government official. She doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority, special disbursing officer. Kasi po, wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Ms. Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. E abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po yun. Sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan,
Opo,
as I'm
opo.
sure
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para mas
Yes,
maunawaan po
Mr.
ni Ms.
Presiding-
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Ma'am, naitubig. There's water if you want to drink water po, ha?
Yes.
Drink water. Now, since you said inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance program.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of that transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po ng head of agency at saka yung head of agency is the respondent in this case, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the physical and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From Good Governance Program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na good governance program, kundi nakasulat dyan, socio-economic program delivery.
With the indulgence of counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in on it.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm ang nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung socio-economic program delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po good governance program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But But sa 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman nananatili 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022. Same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, po pwedeng mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha? If you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Fiscal and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng Fiscal and Financial Plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban dun sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Now, proceed. Same with budget for each quarter. Para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, 125 billion pesos. Para naman sa budget na hinihingi ng Office of the Vice President para sa unang quarter, pangalawang quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter ng 2023, ma'am. Kopyang-kopya yung amount. 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor, kay mao man na ang nakabutang sa GAA, Your Honor.
Yun. Proceed, Your Honor.
Tama daw dahil yun daw ang nakalagay sa GAA.
Both the 2022 Fiscal and Financial Plan and the 2023 version provided for broad program under po sa programs, activities, and projects. Sa 2022, Good Governance Program. Sa 2023 naman, Socio-Economic Program. Pero as to budget, pareho. Yes or no?
Pareho, Your Honor.